Hundreds of people were transported back to the late 1800s at Landmark Park in Dothan, where participants experienced life on a wiregrass farm. This all happened during Landmark Park's annual Farm Day, where there was live music, wagon rides, plowing with draft animals, modern planting demos, a petting zoo, old-fashioned games, and antique tractors were set up for families to watch and take part in. One of the exhibits there was Jerry Ammons in his 1937 John Deere hay press, which goal in the 30s was to compact hay into smaller bales for more efficient storage and transportation. The process was changed in the 1950s when hay baler machines began picking up the loose hay in the field and baling it, all in one process.
They need to know how it used to be done and all before the big tractors and just drive through a field and be through with it.
Ammons first got the press to crank in the 1980s and has been showing it off at Farm Day at Landmark Park ever since.